Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Osprey Talon 6 waist bag. This is the only waist bag in the Talon series of bags from Osprey, and it's a great bag. So first I'll show you right here. It comes in stealth black, cosmic red, ceramic blue, and if you'll notice, the black version that I have is an older version with some gray on the side, whereas now it's all blacked out, and there also used to be a green version. So now just going over some of the features on the bag quickly. There is 4 zippered compartments. The largest one has 2 zippers right here in the top. Opens up to the largest opening. That's most of the bag right there. And then there's a slash zipper in the front. Open that one up, it's just a slide there. It's got a hook for keys. And then on the 2 sides there's another zippered pocket, one on each side, and you can hold some more stuff there. This is like a mesh material, it's kind of stretchy. And those are the 4 zippered pockets. On top of that, there's the 2 water bottle holders right here. 1, 2. These have a pull strap here to tighten them, and there's also these buckles in the front, 1, 2, and they're kind of like a horizontal compressive strap to pull the whole bag in, as well as tighten the water bottle area some more. So that's all the features, nice and quick. As well, oh sorry, right here, air escape. This is the back panel feature that the Talon series and the Tempus series all use. And it's just like a ventilation and lumbar support that the Talons have, and it works great. These compression straps here on the front could also be used to kind of hang an extra layer of clothing off of your bag right here. So if you were to take off your jacket, you can put it through there and hang it off of your bag. So this is the smallest bag in the Talon series, and it's also the only waist pack in the Talon series. There are some more waist packs by Osprey, but they're smaller bags. They don't have the side pockets here. They don't have the support. They're just kind of for quick trips, quick walks. If you're really looking to do a day trip and bring some stuff with you, but you don't want to bring a backpack, then I think this is the perfect bag for you. It's a really good quality bag. I like it. I use it a lot. It's got a little hook here to hold it. I'll also mention here that the Talon and Tempus series looks like this. It's got a Talon 44, 33, 22, 11, 6, and the Tempus series matching there underneath. The Tempus are more so designed for a woman, and the Talon series actually has 2 more additional that are not on here. They have a 26 and a 36 now. But yes, for the waist bags, the Talon 6 is the way to go. The numbers on these bags are also the capacity that they can hold in liters. So the Talon 44 is a 44 liter bag, the 22 is a 22 liter bag, and the Talon 6 is a 6 liter waist bag. I've also done a review on the Talon 22. If you're interested in that one, you can find it in my channel. I'd say this bag's perfect for hiking, biking, day trips, even running, but I wouldn't use it for backpacking or anything overnight. It's not large enough for that. All in all, a great quality bag, and I would recommend it. You can also easily rotate the bag from the back to the front for easier access to your stuff. This bag costs $75 US, which translates to $93 Canadian where I am. But to buy it in Canada, most places around here sell it for 110 Canadian or 120 Canadian. This does not come with water bottles. Thanks for watching my video. Comment any questions and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.